don't know how to get that to angle back and keeping the steering column straight. If y'all have any suggestions, please let me know. Hi, welcome back. Tonight, I think we're going to work on the truck here. We need to take inventory of what's all in the cab, and I may try to put that linkage that connects the steering wheel to the front suspension and make it turn. I think that may be all that I do tonight because the inside's pretty nasty. I was wanting to get in there and kind of clean it out, and had to find places for all the parts, but we'll move some of this stuff around out here. That way we can get in there and start cleaning it, because I need to clean this off, but I'm missing one Allen bolt. So it's supposed to look like that, where it pushes down and sideways. And I got one here, and I need one that comes in here. This needs to be cleaned, like majorly cleaned. But I think, I don't know how it's supposed to work, but he said it worked. I'll have to find another nut for it too. But I think we'll clean this off, try to find the other stuff in there. Take inventory of what's in there and work our way to getting the column in, maybe cleaning it off too. It's pretty dirty. I'll also too been wanting to use my GoPro, so I got it set up over here. Don't know what I'm gonna do with that footage. I may try to splice it in as we're messing with the truck, try to give a different view. Got that to play with tomorrow when I edit. But anyways, let's go here and we'll start cleaning out. I don't think I'll move y'all anywhere because the ladder is quite a ways back over there. So I'll probably keep y'all here and just turn you around a little bit. But anyways, let's get started. First, I'm gonna kind of show you where this needs to go. I don't know if you can see, but that spot right down here that's covered up is the actual place where that knuckle goes. And I think we may need to go down there and look at it a little bit better. I don't know if you can see, but that's where that piece goes on. I'm sure this is just like a dust cover or something. Pretty big dent there. Got me worried that this is gonna be in the way of the exhaust, but that's the piece where the knuckle goes on. So I may try to get that on today and put the steering column in maybe. If you see anything I need to be concerned with, please let me know. I need to hook the brakes up with something. Try to put that on there or not, and so we can't find the other set screw. We'll also come in here and clean all this out, see what we got. I see a thing I need for the column right there. So maybe everything's in here. But I'll hang a lot in here, and we'll pull everything out, see what we got. the GoPro died, so don't know what footage I get from it, but the interior is swept out. A lot of mouse droppings, as well as a dead mouse. It smells pretty bad in here, but I'll give you a look at the inside, and then we'll try to see how this fits. Maybe kind of put the steering column in there a little bit. Found the bracket for it, so go ahead and put that in there. So I think the steering column is going to be up a little high, but we'll stick it in there and see what happens. So let me first go down, and not sure the steering column. It's made, has to go like that. Basically this end, you can tell, a little bit bigger than this end, and I believe this end is what goes down there. And I believe this end goes on column. So we'll get down there and see if we can't stick this on there right quick. See what happens. See, those don't look like to fit. That will fit right over that. Yeah, see, that goes right there. Oops. I'll go over here and try to stick it down in there. Well, that didn't work. To fit that column in there, I figure we had to have more linkages than those. Yeah, 'cause it's hitting right here on this manifold. Maybe I need to take this front clip off and set it somewhere so I have access to everything. Also, that's what the floor looks like. There's some heavy pitting, but there's no rust through. So this needs to be cleaned up. Dash needs to be cleaned up. And then most of the stuff would probably come off, like this yellowing. But like the dome light up there, you can see it. There it is. It feels like we just cleaned this today. Realized I'm gonna need assistance on this to get it down in that hole by the frame rail and the manifold. I don't know how to get that to angle back and keeping the steering column straight. If y'all have any suggestions, please let me know. Probably gonna have to take this off or modify it for this. Bracket here is too narrow. So we could just take this off, get a block. Needs to be something kind of thick piece of steel, 2 holes, mount it, and then drill 2 holes where those other 2 go in. Something like that. But I feel kind of defeated. Didn't get very much done today. I can clean out about a ton of rat mess and dead animals. There's a bunch of brown recluses in here as well, so that's fun. But yeah, if y'all have any suggestions on the whole getting this in there, please let me know. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get this thing going here pretty quick. Get it going is one thing and having it steer is another, so we'll try to get the steering figured out. I will probably take the front clip off. Need to find a way or how they mount the radiator, get that mounted back up. Then need to make something to mount a transmission cooler on the front. But hopefully this thing will fire up. If y'all know anything about diesels, let me know. Thinking maybe we might mount fenders here pretty soon. What I'm gonna do is just bolt the rear fender up here and then C-clamp it to the bed and then mark holes, drill, put bolts in, and that should keep it on there. It will look more like a truck. Also get stuff out of the bed that needs to come out anyways. I need to do something about that rust in there. Get that knocked down. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. So we just did cleaning. I think we have most everything here. I didn't show it, but we have 2 headlights with the housing and the beater rings. Inside door panels for each door. Got that, got a seat. I believe this transmission tunnel here is what he's going to use when you put the automatic shifter in the floor, since the column don't have a selector on it. Got that, bunch of bolts, miscellaneous stuff that I don't know if it goes to this or not, but I kept them anyways. So I think everything is here. Just need to start putting them back on. I think next time we're either gonna jump on the Bronco, work our way up the transmission tunnel, and we may, I don't know if we'll work on this, we may stick to the Bronco and work our way up like we have been, getting that ground down painted. I got some more paint, so we need to get that kind of blacked out up underneath there. But we're gonna be working on this a little bit more though. Like I said, I may work on this tomorrow too, or just on this. It's gonna be like kind of how I feel. But I am going to take the front clip off. It's just loosely on there. Don't know where I'm going to put it, but I need to get a new oil filter too, so it's all dinged up. But if you made it this far, thanks for watching. It does really help the channel out a lot. Like I said, we may jump on Bronco tomorrow, or we may stay on this. Don't know. Still need to go in there and clean out pretty good. And maybe end of this week we'll start mounting the back fenders, getting those on there and looking right. Take the front clip off, probably move the front clip back here to the bed. That way we have access to everything up front. But anyways, I'm gonna try to splice in some GoPro video. Don't know, it died on me apparently. So we'll see what it got, and I don't know why it would do that, but anyways, thank you again. Thank y'all that stuck with me through this. I'm gonna try to get this done and out here as quick as possible. But I am gonna work on the Bronco while we got this in here as well. So if you're here for the Bronco, it will be showing back up. Thank you again. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.